So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the home buying guide here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, I want you to go to the top to where it says buy and just hover over top of it. Under buying resource, I want you to go down to where it says home buying guide and then go ahead and press on that. Now, once you're here, it's actually sort of a good resource for you guys in case you're just looking to buy a home, maybe for the first time, whatever the case may be. So there's a bunch of different categories here. There's the before buying a home, all this kind of stuff. There's how to afford a home, just like this as well. There's the home buying process. There's the home buying program, as well as some other stuff on here. So it's a pretty cool resource in regards to, some stuff, maybe some questions you want answered, or some more information regarding how buying a home actually works, and just sort of how this purchase process can be explained to you, perhaps in maybe more of a simple way. So it's a good resource for you guys to use when you guys are house shopping here on Redfin. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to use the home buying guide, or how to view the home buying guide here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.